Hi guys, it's Joe here at Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video of this beautiful 2021 21 plate Ducati Panigale V4S. Now this one's only done 5,914 miles from new, and as you can see it is a beauty, and you can tell it's the S because it has a full electronic Ohlins suspension. Obviously you get Brembo brakes, but the main thing is you get the Marchesini forged wheels. This one's finished off in obviously red, and it has got the Pecco Bagnaia decal kit on it, which I think makes it look fantastic. It's got the single seat unit as well, which is a small fortune from Ducati. It's also got a tail tidy. You can see the Marchesini badge just on the wheels there. So the spec on these is incredible, just over 200 brake horsepower. You get ABS, you get traction control. So I'll go through these bits here. So you've got ABS, that is your electric suspension, your auto blipper and your quickshifter, adjustable traction, adjustable wheelie control, adjustable slide control, adjustable engine braking. Then you can go into the settings, these different riding modes. You've got race, sport, street, and then you can really go into them. You've got tyre calibration as well, daytime running lights. They're just crazy, honestly. The spec on these, you can change all the settings on the suspension. They are unbelievable to ride. I used to have the Street Fighter version of the Ducati, the V4, and honestly it was the nicest bikes to ride. The power on it were ridiculous, and they sound mega as well, even with the standard exhaust on, so rewind and have a listen to it. But yeah, bikes like these always sell good for us, especially this one with the decal kit on. So if you want to get it bought, be quick, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes, or simply give us a call and get it snapped up before someone else does. Thanks for watching.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk-around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.